Okay, and we're back. All right, so we went through a bit of theory on how to enter the zone. We went through a bit of theory on recovery. We went through a little bit of theory on self-fulfilling prophecy for peak yang energy. And now we're going to look at how to apply this to your self-image, to know thyself. Nobody can reach their peak if they don't know themselves. You have to know what your fears are. You have to know what your weak points are. You've got to fix your lifestyle. If you've got a bad lifestyle, you're not going to reach your peak. If you're addicted to things, let's face it, you're a loser. You're not going to be a winner. Winners are master and they know themselves. Losers are addicted to all the basic things in life. So you need to define them to be a winner. Why do these addictions need to be dealt with? Well, they rob time, they rob energy, they reduce efficiency, they take away your personal power. So if you want to have personal power, it is super important that you understand your weak points so that you can eliminate all the time wasting aspects so you can achieve your goals. So you define your black and white mirror. Who are you? Know thyself. Take out a piece of paper, write all your negatives on the left, your positives on the right. Frame them in the three bodies. So physically, where are you strong, where are you weak? Emotionally, profile yourself. Mentally, know your ability of mindfulness versus your ability of concentration. Define it clearly so that you can look at yourself and go, this is me. I'm a very concentrated person, or no, I'm not a concentrated person. When you get a sense of knowing thyself, now you're in a place in which you can enter into the zone more efficiently because the weak points are there and you can work on turning weaknesses into strengths so that you can peak in your performance. A warrior knows thyself, they know the people around them, and they know their enemies. And that's how they win. Winners know themselves, they know their environment, they know the battleground of their work, of their business, of what they're interacting with. Information is power. The first information you want to empower yourself with is information about you, your weak points. If you don't empower yourself, you can't have power over your environment either. So, key to empowering yourself, know thyself. Do the black and white mirror. My suggestion is there's a book called Personality Plus, and there's a personality test in it, and they have the 4 element attributes in each category, and that's great because it'll give you a good understanding of your astral body. What it doesn't do is gives you understanding of your physical strengths and weaknesses and your mind strengths and weaknesses. So you want to define them as well. Once you've defined them, continue along with this training process, and you'll have much higher levels of success when you understand the nature of your own mind, the nature of your own emotions, the nature of your own body. Okay, thanks for your time. See you in the next video.